Good morning, everybody. This is the Rogue Vet here, aka Jared, and we are here at Discount Tire trying to get my Tpms sensor changed on one of the tires. Every time I drive now, I've noticed the last 2 weeks, the light will come on randomly, and I go to check the tire pressure, and it's just 2 dashes. Basically, it's not. I guess the battery's going out, so it's not being able to read what the actual pressure is in the tire. Now, when I check this pressure with a little gauge, it's fine, it's good. So it's just it's on its way out. So basically I bought a part here, I'll show y'all in a second, and we're gonna go to Discount so they can switch it out, and hopefully that will correct the problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, as I always appreciate y'all. But let me go ahead and show you real quick. Okay, so as you can see, there's Discount right there, and like I said, whenever I'm driving on the dash, I wasn't able to make it pop up this time when I drove over here, but something will light up on the dash, and it will basically just say, TPMS, start flashing and stuff. So, okay, guys, so basically what I'm going to show here is the what you would see on the dash if it was happening to you. Now, there's 2 different ones that you can do basically, or that you'll see. So the first one I'm going to show you is if the TPMS is acting up. Maybe, the tire pressure is low, so it pops on. You'll see the little light indicate on the side, and then it might display, that what the reading is. If it's low, if it's high, it'll show that. But on the second one here right now, the light will still be illuminated and it'll pop up, but there'll be 2 dashes on indicating where the number would be for the tire pressure. Instead of a number, it'll be 2 dashes, and that's what it was doing for me. It was basically just telling me it's not reading anything, so I guess the sensor is going out. So now I'll show you the pictures of what the actual sensor itself looks like, and there's 3 different pictures, and you'll kind of see as it just changes what the difference is between them basically. And you'll kind of see it, but that's pretty much the gist of what needs to be changed. And like I said, link will be in the description if you need something for your Stingray. I think they're all the same for all C7s if I'm correct, but you might want to make sure if yours ever go out, just kind of look it up and get the right part for it. Otherwise, you'll be good to go. So here's the little part right here. It's the genuine parts from GM. There's the number if you want to check it. So you just need 4 of them to replace, but there it is right there. So I'm gonna get these guys to put it on, and shouldn't be that expensive, but let me see if I can talk to them. All right, guys, so we just spoken to someone. They said they can do it pretty quick. They're about to pull it in the bay here, and it's gonna look badass. Oh, look at that. Discount Tire. It's in the shop. Looks so pretty. Alright, guys, so I just got done with Discount. They got the sensor switched, and I'm about to go drive it and see if it will register the new sensor on there. It's not reading it right now. Maybe it just takes it a little bit to get into the system. But this was the tire, and there's the sensor that was replaced right there. But I think they did a good job overall, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna drive it a little bit, and hopefully it'll pick up the new part, and that'll be it. So all right, so car's on. As you can see, that's kind of what it says right there. We'll just dismiss it, and that's kind of what it's gonna display, I guess, before it registers it. So let's just go drive and let's go see. All right, guys, so I just want to show you all this. I've been driving for about 10 minutes, and it finally registered it. And as you can see, I'm going to try to do this while I'm driving. It shows 34 on that top right tire, and there's no check engine lights, no pressure or whatever, the little light thing going on. It's good. So it just took a little bit for it to drive, but it should sync up. And since they were the actual GM product, not an aftermarket where you have to program it to the right frequency, so everything is good. All of them are all the same PSI. Everything looks good. So you can take it at a discount if you'd like, or if you want to go to Chevrolet, either is good. I mean, I went to Discount. That's just because where I get all my tires from. So came out pretty decent with me, and everything's pretty good. So as soon as those other ones go out, though, I'll probably buy those and get them to replace them. So, you know, it probably shouldn't be too far off, but you never know. They last. They're all kind of different, so maybe I'll get some more life out of those other ones. But when the time comes, then we will get them changed. But we should be good as of right now. So I'm kind of happy about that. Pretty smooth operation. They were real careful with the car. It was pretty good. They're not expensive either. They're about $40, give or take, minus a few dollars or plus. You know, I'm not including shipping or whatever, but about 38, 39, 40 bucks a piece. So if you want it all four, just do the math. Okay guys, so as you can see, I pulled into a gas station, and just want to quickly go over again. So the changing of the TPMS on that tire there was a success. I know they say to go ahead and just do all four of them, but I only wanted to replace the one because that's the only one that's really causing issue. So, but like I said, as soon as all the other ones go, then we'll go ahead and we will get them changed out and we'll be good. So, but you know, otherwise everything is good. So as soon as that happens, we'll get that taken care of. And it was a pretty straight through process. Just make sure you get the right one, and everything pretty much will be good to go. It only took maybe 20 minutes, I guess, from start to finish, from the time he drove the vehicle off to the time I pulled the car out and drove off. So it was not that long. Now I did go first thing in the morning when they first opened up, so that probably does help because there was like nobody there and I was the first car in. So, but anyway guys, that's pretty much it. So all right guys, well, like I said, thanks for watching the video. I know it was a pretty short one because I was just going over changing of the TPMS, and I may have some more videos in the future, maybe changing the other ones, who knows. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I know y'all do. And until the next video, guys, this is the Rogue Vet out. Peace.